Hi, I'm Vaibhav Kumaresh. I'm an animation filmmaker from Mumbai. This is my first time at Avantika University at MIT, and we just finished our presentation and our interaction with the students. So I was here to share our journey in animation filmmaking and storytelling, and it was a nice interactive session. There were a lot of queries, a lot of discussions, so I enjoyed that. And I shared behind the scenes, different mediums, different kinds of films that we are producing at the studio and what the studio aims to do in future. So that was, and taking them behind the scenes on how different productions are executed in the real world. So I enjoyed that interactivity in the discussion. I feel that it's a very good initiative that the students are doing it entirely themselves, coordinating with industry experts and ensuring that the next batch or the next generation of students, they get that exposure. And it's a good culture. I feel that they are catching them young and giving them that responsibility to host such events regularly. That's a good culture. Obviously, the campus is beautiful, located very beautifully, and I'm sure infrastructurally and in all forms, it'll only be very, very beneficial to the students.